Hi Ball Bakers, I am really excited to announce my next all-new no machine ice cream video premiering this Thursday. And to get you ready for this video, I'm going to show you how to make an edible cookie dough so you can make cookie dough ice cream. Also stay tuned for a sneak peek at all of the other fantastic flavors you're going to see on Thursday. So let's get baking. An edible cookie dough is really simple. It's just a regular cookie dough without any eggs. This is a great recipe for making cookie dough frosting, cookie dough ice cream, and even just for eating cookie dough right off the spoon. In a large bowl, we're going to cream together our butter and our brown sugar. Now you can do this by hand or you can use an electric mixer. Once these ingredients are well combined, we're going to add in our vanilla extract, our flour, and our milk, and then gently mix these together. Once the flour goes in, you don't want to mix it for too long. Lastly, add in your chocolate chips and mix them until they're just combined. And there you have it, a simple edible cookie dough. This will be so good in our ice cream. So do you guys want to have a little sneak peek at what's to come this Thursday? Just so you know, the flavors coming up are the ones that you all have most requested, so I know you're going to love them. We're going to kick off our ice cream party with chocolate chip cookie dough. Then you'll feel like a kid in a candy store with this next most requested flavor. And we'll top it all off with an ice cream that needs no introduction. Those are just a few of the big and bold new flavors you'll find at my ice cream party. Make sure you tune in this Thursday so you can see all of my new ice cream flavors. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you really soon.